Hey, 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 happy Friday, everyone. I'm Blake Hotchkiss, Clinical Education Specialist with the Association for Vascular Access, and joined with me today, Angela Alderman. Hey, Angela, how's it going?
Hey, how are you? Thanks for
Oh,
having me.
so good. It's been a busy week, but we're getting closer to conference and we're really excited about that. So, Angela, I know you very well from our work on the PediNeoSIG, our special interest group with our focus on peds and neonates. Tell the audience a little bit about yourself. I know we've had you on before, but give us another little shout out.
Sure. So, like Blake said, I'm Angela. I have a concentration in neonatal vascular access, but can do all peds. I work for Carilion Children's Hospital in Roanoke, Virginia, and have been part of the PediNeoSIG for a number of years. So, I have been really enjoyed working with that group and being able to come to conference every year and teach vascular access as well as gain a lot of knowledge from our peers and colleagues throughout the country. So I'm really excited about this year's conference in Portland.
Me too. Second live in-person conference since the pandemic, and I will tell you, nothing like meeting people in person and doing some of these hands-on classes that are offered at conference. They're all amazing. First of all, I've had the opportunity to either help with them or take them when I was, before I was an AVA staff member. The cadaver lab with Teleflex is fantastic. The ultrasound guided PIV workshop with Sean Lau. And then we have the PEDS PIC insertion course, PEDS and neonates, that we launched an updated version last year. And then we got a lot of really good feedback from you guys. So, Angela, tell us a little bit about some of the changes that the teams made in the PEDS workshop.
Sure. So we did take a lot of feedback, and clearly we wanted to do what was great for the membership at large. And so the feedback we received was maybe to break it up into like a more advanced program versus a basic program so that we could encompass everyone, so that there's a pre-workshop for everyone. So I guess in our basic course, we'll just concentrate on vascular access in the upper extremity, specifically PIC insertion. And then we're going to trailblaze to our next workshop on the Oregon Trail. And we'll be doing some more advanced techniques with ultrasound, as well as talk about some ECG tip confirmation and how to manage those really complicated patients. So that'll be our advanced workshop this year.
No, it's fantastic. And it's been an honor to really sit in on these PD NeoSig meetings where we're talking about how to make these improvements and listening to the feedback. And, like I say on the webinars, we take that stuff to heart. We really want to make things awesome for you guys. We want to give you what you want, what you need, what you're looking for to help improve your practice and improve the clinical outcomes for the patients that you care for. And sitting there and like, oh, what makes a beginner course versus an advanced, and some of the technologies that are emerging in the pediatric and neonatal spaces are just fantastic to listen to. The team kind of evolve this into these two different sessions. So I know we've still got some spaces open for the pre-conference workshop. So if you are interested, don't forget to register for conference. I did put a link down in the description below. Check out all the amazing speakers. Check out all the pre-conference workshops. So there's tons to pick from. So come in a little bit earlier to conference, get your hands on some technology, work with mannequins or cadavers, or maybe get some hands-on training with some of the experts in your industry. And we're excited to have you there. There's tons of stuff available, and we're excited to get in person again. 2023, Portland, Oregon. Again, link is in the description down below. So I'll take us out from there. Angela, thank you so much for joining me on Facebook Live. It's exciting to have you. I always love our chats when we get on the phone or meet on these PediNeoSIG meetings. So thank you for jumping on with me today.
Yeah, thanks for having us. And I look forward to seeing everybody at conference.
Well, with that, You can follow the Association for Vascular Access anywhere out there on social media. That's Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Of course, if you're a big fan of YouTube like I am, you can check us out there as well. And with that, we'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.
Bye.